Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Vance County, Warren County, Western Nash County, Northwestern Sampson County, Harnett County, Southeastern Granville County, Northern Cumberland County, Central Wake County, Western Wilson County, Johnston County, Franklin County, until 5 p.m. At 4:02 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oxford to near Garner to near Pope Air Force Base, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Oxford and Garner around 4:05 p.m. Henderson, Clayton, and Kitchell around 4:15 p.m. Fayetteville around 4:20 p.m. Cleveland around 4:30 p.m. Godwin around 4:40 p.m. Warrenton and Norlina around 4:45 p.m. Dunn and Bailey around 4:50 p.m. Benson around 4:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Pilot, Gilbert, Lake Benson, Falcon, and Selma. These storms have a history of producing widespread tree damage. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Both weather radios went off at the same time.
A thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, Franklin, Granville, Harnett, Johnston, Nash, Sampson, Vance, Wake, Warren, and Wilson.
This went off at the right time without making a false alarm.